The Timballo of Tortellini is a rich and flavorful dish, ideal for special occasions. Here's how to prepare it. Ingredients: 500 grams of fresh or dried tortellini of your choice, filled with meat, cheese, etc., 2 eggs, 100 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, 300 grams of cooked ham, diced, 200 grams of peas, fresh or frozen, 400 milliliters of béchamel sauce, salt and pepper to taste, butter for greasing the pan, breadcrumbs for lining the pan. Preparation: cook the tortellini following the instructions on the package, then drain them al dente and let them cool slightly. In the meantime, beat the eggs in a large bowl and mix with the Parmesan cheese. Add the cooled tortellini to the egg and Parmesan mixture. Gently fold in the diced cooked ham and peas. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Prepare a round springform pan by greasing it with butter and dusting the bottom and sides with breadcrumbs. Pour the tortellini mixture into the pan. Cover everything with the bechamel sauce, spreading it evenly. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes or until the surface is golden brown. Once baked, let it cool for a few minutes before opening the springform and serving. Interesting facts: the Timballo of Tortellini is a dish from the Emilia tradition, enriched and made even more delicious with the addition of bechamel sauce and Parmesan cheese. It represents a variation of classic lasagna, winking at those who love tortellini but want to enjoy them in a different way. Moreover, it's a versatile dish that you can easily adapt to personal tastes by adding or substituting ingredients like mushrooms, spinach, or different types of cheese. Enjoy your meal!